face to the shell, just minding my own world. You brought me out of the shell. You gave your world to me, and before I knew there was no love with you. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. It's all gone beyond existence, and it all began.
By the authority given to me by this republic, as your solemnizing officer, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Friends, John Renz, you can now kiss your bride.
Could you see yourself growing old with me, watching my hair turn to gray? Could you live with me in my mistakes and the ones I have yet to make?
So when our eyes have seen their better days, and our hearing starts to fade, push your arms around my neck and your heart on my chest.
Ayaw umiyak! Ano ba yan? Ay, ang bongga naman. Oo nga, inanap ko. Sige, baka nakapasok ka na.
Heavenly Father, we gathered here today to bless John Renz and Julie as we begin their journey as a husband and wife.
See our dreams inside of a child long after us fade.
Alam naman ng lahat dito kung gano'n na-stop tong wedding na to for almost 2 years. Masaya ako kasi nakapag-antay ka. Alam mo naman kung gano'n kita kamahal.
Three things I would like to remind you about marriage. Marriage is about bonding. What God has joined together, let no man put asunder.
You will still sound the same.
Building a strong relationship, it takes a lot of love to each other, respect to one another, and trust to each other.
Pinapangako ko kala tito, kala tita, na aalagaan kita tulad ng pag-aalagaan nila sa'yo.
And time tests our love.
We'll say forever ain't enough. We'll stick to our guns
Our grip will loosen up.
when we say forever ain't
Couple, encourage you both to remain faithful to one another, to persevere in love, faith in God, and one another.
I promise to keep learning you, even long after I know you. I always remember that I will always know you forever and ever.